Good afternoon. So today we are going to talk about teaching mathematics from grade 1 to 5th. Mostly mathematics is considered as a boring subject. Why? Because our way of teaching is totally a lecture method where we are just talking and writing on the whiteboard and students are copying and just giving the formula or the process of that mathematical operation verbally, and the student they listen to it and then they copy it and later on. So it's mostly like boring. As in all our subjects teaching, we said that it must be participative. Students should be in center to listen to in the learning. When we use the student-centered approach, in that the teacher has to adopt many different teaching methodologies, and by that way the mathematics teaching will not be that boring, and the students will learn better compared to the current what they are learning today. Mathematics is it's not just a memorizing thing. The student has to use their logic, reasoning, and they should integrate the concepts with each other, and can use as mathematics is used throughout our life in real life. So we should correlate the concept to the real life situations. So here I'm going to talk about few teaching methodologies that the teacher may use it in different scenario and different circumstances, not fix or to a specific only one teaching methodology. Teacher can change it according to the situation, according to the theme, subject, and the context. So demonstration approach, where teacher is a demonstrator, teacher show the concept, he demonstrates it, and he asks questions on that mathematical concept from the students when he is demonstrating that concept, and then students can share that through practical activity. And the same another methodology is used, inquiry-based learning. In that methodology, teachers prepare questions, uses questions, problems, and a kind of scenario like in a real life example or any kind of example, and then ask the students to inquire and start working on that one. And another is brainstorming. Like in all other subjects in mathematics, you can also use it. In brainstorming, you identify a problem situation, and then you generate the data for that one, the idea for that one, and once that is done, then you do evaluation, and you come to a solution at the end, and then you correlate and implement that solution, and finally you again evaluate the same thing. And math lab approach is also a teaching methodology. You can use a math lab approach where children works together in a small groups, and they are given with a task to learn and discover, and then work for themselves. So it is a called math lab approach. And there is a discovery approach. The student already has some mathematical concept of a theme, and it is an advanced theme, and the student has they have fundamental or prior some knowledge about that theme, So further, the students start learning the new theme, new topics, the advanced level through their previous, based on their previous knowledge. So they use their previous knowledge to know more about that one. Like for example, in fractions, the students already knows about fractions. Uh, Now that fraction comes to, like for example, in for 5 digits, and he was just aware of, or his knowledge was up to 2 digits or 3 digits, but now it is advanced level. So based on previous knowledge, the student, he or she, himself or herself, will start discover the way to solve that further, the advanced level of fractions. So that is called discovery approach. And there is also practical approach. The student perform such a practical activity to come out for a solution for that one. So instead of just digits, like mathematics, if we see it mostly, we are teaching them in digits, figures, and they are solving. And there is a way of methodology, and they are solving. No, bring it to a real life situation, a practical situation, and then the students will work on that one. So later on, the students will correlate the same with the conceptual understanding. So that practically work will be to arrive to a solution to learn the conceptual understanding of that theme. Cooperative learning in all, as we have said, in all other subjects, same in mathematics as well. Students are given a common goal to work together, and they support each other. They make a groups, and to come up with solution for that, and find that goal. So in mathematics, mostly, if we are strict to the textbook, and then just telling and talking to the students and writing on the noteboard, and they are copying it, and as a home assignment they are just rewriting those concepts. So that way, for example, there is a process formula for a particular theme, right? For example, distributive law, there is a particle, you will do this. So the students will be able to do it with the help of that practice of few examples. But that knowledge, that learning will be temporary, not permanently. And permanently, you have to give them an opportunity to think over that one, bring logic about why this is like this one, and the students can bring another solution for that one, another process, to solve the based on his previous or her previous knowledge. But those things are missing in our classrooms, and it can be achieved, all those methods that I just discussed. It can happen only when we are following the student center approach. But if we are our teaching style is authoritative, our teaching style is lecture, we are just asking uh, questions, and we are just talking and writing on the whiteboard, I'm sorry, these methodology will not be there, these method will not be there, and the student learning will be just for exam purpose, and then finish, no mathematics concept build up in their minds. And in student center, in if it is mathematics or any other subjects, the main purpose is the students are going to ask questions. The student raises questions. The student raises questions. Not as a teacher. Why not a student raise a question which is very difficult even for a teacher to give that are very easy to give answer. The student has to come with such questions, but that is only happen when they are given opportunity to think to do the work themselves in a group and come with a solution. Thank you very much. This was mathematics, and we will come to science and general knowledge and English soon. Thank you.